Working on my Bolens GT2000. This tractor has a front loader and my electric starter is not engaging flywheel. So first step is to loosen up this bolt right here, one on each side. Once it's loosened, you can remove this locking pin and it should just drop right out. Do that on both sides. And use a couple of jacks to support it. What I did is I placed a jack here and jack up a little bit until it's high enough to go over this bar right here. Did it on both sides. I start wiggling it forward to get the front loader off. It's heavy, so I had a little help. So two people will lift it and turn it to the side and put it back on the jack. To get to the electric starter, which is located underneath here, the manual says you gotta lift the engine up a little bit to get to it. So first you gotta remove the side covers. There are two screws are here, one here, and one bolt right there. And underneath here, the white bracket got two bolts in it, and on this side as well. Remove it. And this whole piece should come right out. You should remove this brace right here, allowing the panel to flip outward, and it should come right out. These braces right here got caught onto the engine. One piece all came right off. Here's your electric starter, and I will loosen up these engine mounts here and here. And I saw in another video, by loosening up all the engine mount, I should be able to put a pry bar in here, lift it high enough so I can get in there to remove the electric starter. But first, I need to remove these brackets right here, and possibly the belts too. What is going on is my starter will engage, but the gear that's sling forward to catch onto the flywheel, either it got stuck or it's sheared. So the night before, I went ahead and pressure washed the engine compartment. I washed the starter area right there. I spray a lot of water in there, try to remove whatever is in there, and let it dry so I can work on it this morning. So before I decide to take the starter out, I give it another try to see if it'll start. It's not doing anything. The electric starter will engage, but the sprockets will just sling forward to catch on the flywheel. It's not doing anything, so it's just spinning, not catching. Since I got the cover off, this is a good time to change the motor oil. Here's the oil filter, and underneath here, right there, the oil plug. Just use a crescent wrench to remove the plug to get the oil out. I have some extra oil filter. This filter is not the exact, but it will work as long as the thread is the same and the diameter is the same. This one's a little longer, but it will work the same. Put a little oil around the seal. And tighten it. Went ahead and put today's date on it. Put some Teflon tape on this plug. Teflon tape. The Teflon tape will help prevent oil leaking out in the future. Go ahead and top it off with 30 weight oil, and it's full right now. It took about 1 and 1/2 quarts of motor oil. Now the oil change is completed. I took out this old battery and put a different batteries in there and let's give it a try. So it did start it up. Let's hope the issue is the battery, not the electric starter. I'm going to give it a few more tries before I reassemble all the parts back in there, just to make sure it's not the electric starter. So I'll be driving this tractor around the yard and just shut it off and start it, and shut it off and start it, and see it eliminate the problem. So I hope this helped you with your troubleshooting. If this video helped you solve your tractor problem, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe.